Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can get free shipping from Alibaba. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. I'm going to show you guys everything I know about how you can get free shipping from Alibaba. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log to your Alibaba account and make sure to change the country to your own country. Now in my case I'm going to change it to United States and then click on save. Okay, so after guys you change the country, what you guys need to do, you want to search for the product that you want to purchase. Now if you want to buy, for example, 100 pieces, you can do that. Okay, but of course you are not going to get free shipping. You can, like, when you buy like large quantities on Alibaba, I'm only going to show you guys how you can reduce the price of the shipping. I'm not going to show you how you can get free shipping, because there is no way anyone can send like 100 products with free shipping. Okay, but I'm going to show you how you can get free shipping if you are buying only one piece or two pieces, three pieces, like 10 products. Okay, especially if these products are low priced, like items like below like $20, $30. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can do this. Now in the top, you want to search for the product that you want to purchase. For example, I want to purchase a ring for my girlfriend, for example. This is just an example. Okay, so after you search here for whatever you want to purchase, what you guys need to do, you just need to do these settings. Okay, you want to scroll down a little bit and you want to click here, it says delivery by. You want to select the first option here. I'm going to, in my case it's delivery by 21 January. That's exactly what you need to do. First select the first one, and after that you want to scroll down, and here it says minimum order amount. What you guys need to do, you just need to, here you want to add here how many items you want to purchase. If you only want to purchase one item, then you want to select here one. It's best to enter here one, because like Alibaba now will show you only items that are in stock and ready to ship. Now if after you buy these items, they will be shipped to you immediately. Okay, so I'm going to enter here one and then click on OK. Okay, so now I will be able to get free shipping. Of course, not all these suppliers they will offer me free shipping. That's not what I'm saying, but you can search for suppliers that offer free shipping. Okay, so I'm going to search here for people like sellers or suppliers that offer free shipping, and I'm going to show you guys how you can do. Now first thing you need to do is you want to select this, as you can see here, like just change this to this format here, and as you can see. Okay, so after that you want to scroll down, and now you will be able to find like sellers that offer free shipping. Now I'm going to search here money back guarantee, or you can just click on Ctrl G and then search for free shipping. Okay, it seems like no one in this list is offering free shipping. Okay, so what we are going to do here, we are going to search for something else, like, because most of these suppliers, it's like 90%, they charge over $3 with shipping. As you can see, now they charge $3, as you can see, $3 for one piece, using the standard shipping, which is like fast to the United States. It's going to take only like 5 days. In my experience, it only takes from 5 days to 9 days maximum to get these items. Okay, so that's exactly how you can like get like cheaper price on shipping. But of course this is not free shipping. Most of these they offer, like, they charge more than $3. Okay, so I'm going to search here for another something else. Okay, I'm going to search, for example, for makeup. Okay, so I'm going to search for makeup, and I'm going to search for sellers that offer free shipping. As you can see, guys, I found some items with free shipping. As you can see, like this watch, as you can see, you can buy it with free shipping from Alibaba. Of course, you cannot find all items on Alibaba with free shipping. I'm going to click on Ctrl G. I'm going to search here for free shipping. As you can see in this list of products, we found that a lot of like sellers offer free shipping. As you can see, this seller offers free shipping. This seller offers free shipping. Of course, you can also contact them. For example, this seller, as you can, going to click here on this seller, and I'm going to see how much they charge for shipping. As you can see, it's too expensive. As you can see, $50, because this is like a big item. It's not really that big, but they just, for example, most of the time these shipping prices are like wrong, so you just need to contact the supplier. Here, as you can see, this button here, you can click on it and then contact the supplier. Hi, do you offer free shipping? And most of them, you will say yes, and they will also ask you how many items you want to purchase. Now if you are buying, for example, a large quantity, you just need to say to them something like, I would like to buy X amount of products. Can you like find me like a special shipping method so that I can get these items with like reduced shipping price, and they will be happy to help you guys get reduce the price of the shipping by shipping these products using a special method that they can like find in China to ship these products to you with a cheaper price. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can do this. It's not that hard. You can just keep searching for products with free shipping. Of course you will find them, guys. There are a lot of like suppliers that offer free shipping. For example, just click on this and see if they offer free shipping. Okay, so it seems like they charged $15 for 10 pieces, which is not really that bad. Okay, as you can see, $15 for 10 pieces is a really good price. Okay, so you only pay like $15 to purchase 10 pieces of this product. Of course, if you contact them and you want to purchase only one product, they will offer free shipping. Just contact this, click this icon, contact button here, and then you will be able to contact them directly, and then you will try to help you guys to get free shipping on these products. Okay, say something like, I just want to test this product. If it works, then I'm going to work with you in the future, something like that. Okay, so hopefully this one helped you. Okay, so I made another video specifically about how you can get free shipping. That video explains everything. Just click the video in the screen right now and make sure to drop a like on this tutorial. The video in the screen will show you exactly how you can get free shipping on Alibaba, okay, with like single items. If you want to buy like items for personal use, click the video in the screen and you will be able to do that. See you guys next video.